One of the most common questions we get is, how do I remove the glue from the surface of my slab after I've stood my walls and removed my reveal? Well, the answer's simple. No, you don't need to sand it. No, you don't need to scrape it. You simply need to use GluDown's 517 Adhesive Cleaner. The 517 cleaner is ideal for cleaning up all aerosol adhesives from the surface of the slab. When used with our prep stick in a 5-gallon pail of cleaner, it makes quick work of the surface adhesive. The 517 cleaner is a fast evaporating, non-staining, and non-darkening cleaner. That's right, like most citrus cleaners, it does not darken your slab. As you can see, after only a few seconds, the cleaner has evaporated and dried completely, leaving no surface residue left on the slab. It doesn't get much cleaner than that. That's Texas muscle and California compliant.